In this video, I'll show you how to add AnyDesk in Startup so it opens automatically when your computer turns on. This is a quick and useful setup if you want AnyDesk ready right away for remote access, support, or managing a device without having to launch it manually every time. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This is the fastest way to access your startup apps on Windows. Once Task Manager opens, if you see the compact version, click More Details so you can view all the tabs. Now go to the Startup tab at the top. This tab shows the apps that are allowed to launch when Windows starts. Look through the list and locate AnyDesk. Depending on your version of Windows, it may already appear there as disabled if it has been turned off before. If you find AnyDesk and it says disabled, right-click on it and select Enable. This will allow AnyDesk to start automatically the next time your computer boots up. If you do not see AnyDesk in the startup list, that means it may not currently be configured as a startup app, and you may need to open AnyDesk once or check its settings inside the app itself. But in most cases, if it is listed here, right-clicking and enabling it is all you need. After enabling it, you can close Task Manager and the setting will stay saved. From now on, AnyDesk should launch at startup, making it easier to connect remotely whenever you need it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Windows and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.